So Jason, so you guys focus on helping people's name show up better in Google. So walk me through that process. Like, how does that work?
Well, the people we help principally are entrepreneurs who understand that their personal brand is incredibly important to their business today. It gets partnerships, makes them look impressive. It makes their business much easier to promote. And then also they understand that their next project is going to depend on their personal brand. Rand Fishkin being a great example of somebody who's moved from Moz to SparkToro seamlessly, and he's used his personal brand to launch SparkToro. It makes the next project so much easier for him.
Yeah.
And they also understand that AI will define their legacy. How AI understands them will define how the world sees them and perceives them in years to come. But that doesn't mean to say we don't help everybody. We help everybody in the sense that we give the information away for free. There's a 60-page download just behind me here, the Kalicube process, which is a DIY guide. You can do it yourself. Mm-hmm. And the reason somebody would come to us is because they're time poor. They want it done fast. They want it done effectively. They want to sleep well at night, knowing that we are looking after it. And we've done this for hundreds of people.
Yep.
And we know exactly how to manage it.